Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy Global. I hope that you all are doing well and staying at home. And I want to share some thoughts that came to my mind when students are asking me that, sir, I have attempted GATE examination twice or thrice, but I am unable to crack properly or get good rank. But my friend who is staying with me only, and he has attended the same faculty lectures, but he can get good rank. Or those who are starting the preparation of GATE examination, they has to learn these things what I am going to say right now. So many times you have heard that you have to solve the previous year question before GATE examination, and the battle will end up with 3 hours of GATE examination. So in these 3 hours of GATE examination, many of the students are unable to connect the formula. That formula he have seen earlier also in other questions, but now in these 3 hours of examination they are unable to connect those particular formula with the question by reading the question twice or thrice also. Because of that one they are unable to get good marks. But some of the students who got good marks, they understood the formula, they understood the story behind the question, and they have connected the formula by reading the question once. The reason is that they have learned how to understand the story of that particular formula and how to speak or how to write the story behind that particular formula. The reason is that whenever you are preparing for the GATE examination, you have to understand we have to test the faculty level or the author level. I am repeating, faculty or the author level. So whenever a faculty is teaching you, he is always telling some story behind any particular formula. If he or she is teaching GATE, the reason is that because in that story the formula is hidden. If you understood the story, the same story is repeated in GATE examination in other different forms by stretching the line of any particular story, or by telling the story in different particular way. So they are repeating the similar formula, but the story behind the formula they have changed. So if you understand that particular story by any faculty, or if you understand that particular story by reading any good textbook, because every textbook are always telling the story behind any particular formula. They have started telling the formula by framing some story, then by some derivation, then they come to the exact formula. So you have to test that particular level. So if you haven't tested that particular level, you never be able to connect the formula with the question. So if you understood what I want to say, then definitely you have to practice this one, and you can practice this one by previous year question. Because in 29 years of previous year questions, many formula has been repeated, but the story behind this particular formula is given in different lines of the question. So you have to understand that particular way of understanding or solving a particular question, I think, and I hope that you understood well. So GATE Academy is launching a new course, in a full course I can say, in ECEEIN. You just have to be in touch with GATE Academy Global from 1st to 5th, so that you can grab the discount offer of GATE Academy Global for full GATE course GD, PD, VOD tablet. Okay, I hope that you are understanding what I am what I said just now, and you have to practice. Those who are starting their preparation, you have to test the faculty level or the author level. Those who are attempted GATE examination, you too also have to test the faculty level or the author level to understand or to solve the question within few minutes in GATE examination, the 3 hours of GATE examination. Thank you. Meet you again with some more thoughts that you want from me. You can share what you want to ask from the faculty of GATE Academy in the comment box. Meet you again. Thank you. Stay tuned.